How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. For that, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see here, it says professional dashboard, which means I currently have a professional account. If you have a creator account and you want to switch back, then follow these simple steps. The first thing you want to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, you want to scroll down and find the option of creator tools and controls. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now you will have the option of switch account type over here. Tap on that. Now it has two options, switch to business account and switch to personal account. Go ahead and tap on the second one, which is switch to personal account. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. When you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all of your content, including your promotion. If you want that, tap on the switch to personal account option. As you can see, you have been successfully switched back to your personal account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.